do you think you're going?
She went to the mirror. Put her closer. Aww.
You get pretty Layla kiss.
Fortunate just walked back in the house.
You get pretty Layla kiss.
Oh, good baby, good.
She's like, Mommy doesn't let me do that.
That's what grandparents are for.
Tell her to do it because it's cute. You don't even really have to hold her, just hold the mirror. She's gotta
I don't want her to headbutt it. Oh, here, I gotta move my car.
Oh.
Oh.